So far, you've learned about some of the skills and responsibilities digital marketing and e-commerce specialists might have. And you've discovered a little about the job landscape. Now, let's go a little deeper and explore two of the main paths you can pursue in your career: in-house and agency positions. Some marketing roles are in-house, meaning you work for a single company to market and sell their products. For example, I'm an in-house product marketing manager at Google, so I work on creating compelling video and social content for the Think with Google brand. But if you'd like a little more variety working on different projects across multiple industries, an agency role might be a good fit. Agencies partner with companies that don't have in-house marketing teams to fill their digital marketing and advertising needs. There are pros and cons to both agency and in-house work, and which one is right for you depends on what you want out of your career. Of course, you don't have to commit to one forever, and this program will help you prepare for both paths. But there are some differences you should keep in mind as you consider your options. As an in-house employee, you get to know one company and its products extremely well. You also gain deep knowledge and expertise in a specific industry. So, if you work for a cosmetics company, your experience will translate most directly to a similar company. On the other hand, if you're the sort of person who likes working on a lot of different projects, working with one company on one type of product might not be for you. And if you do want to move to a different type of business, your specialized experience can make it harder to break into a new sector. Now, if you work for an agency, you're unlikely to get bored. Because agency work is project-based, you get to collaborate on a variety of initiatives in multiple industries. By working with different clients, you can develop a broad and flexible expertise that will serve you at a variety of companies. But that doesn't mean you can't specialize. Agencies tend to focus on a few different areas within marketing, like social media or brand building, so you can get to know certain skill sets very well. But there can be downsides too. The same variability that keeps agency work interesting can also make things unpredictable. Sometimes clients can surprise you with unexpected requests or ask you to do things in an unfamiliar way. The hours can be longer too, especially toward the end of a project. Of course, every workplace is different, and they won't all have the same advantages and disadvantages. Whichever path you choose, whether it's the deep knowledge and stability of an in-house role or the broad knowledge and flexibility of agency work, you'll gain valuable experience that can lead you to the next great opportunity.